In this video, I'll show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser and then launch up roblox.com. Now make sure you're logged into your account and then click on the settings icon in the top right hand side. Click on settings. Now in order to get voice chat on Roblox, you need two things. Now the first thing is you need to be at least 13 years old. You can find your birth date down at the bottom here. And the second thing you need is a verified phone number. So we're going to start by verifying our phone number, and you can do that just by clicking on add phone over here and typing in your phone number like so. Click on continue. You'll now receive a verification code to the phone number that you just provided. If you don't receive the verification code, you can always click on resend code. Once you've received your 6-digit code, then enter it into the box like so. If you don't receive this number via text message, then you also might get this through a WhatsApp conversation. Then click on continue. Choose whether you want to let your friends find you from your phone number. For now, I'm just going to select no. Click on done. And as you can see, we now have a verified phone number. So the second thing, you just need to make sure you're at least 13 years old. You can find your birth date down at the bottom here. Now you shouldn't need to verify your age unless you're under 13, so I'm actually going to leave this for now. So now that you've verified your phone number, we need to click on privacy from the left hand navigation, then scroll down to the bottom and you'll now see this section for microphone and camera input. Now in order to enable and use voice chat on Roblox, you first need to make sure you've enabled use microphone to chat with voice. This will bring up this window and we just need to consent to Roblox terms and conditions. Tap on enable, and as you can see, we've now enabled our microphone for voice chat. So now that we've enabled our microphone, we can go ahead and join a Roblox experience. Once you're inside of a Roblox game, you'll see the microphone icon above your avatar. Now to enable your microphone and to start talking to people, all we simply need to do is tap on the microphone symbol like so, and this has enabled the microphone, and now we can speak and hear other people in the Roblox lobby. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you use voice chat on Roblox. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.